Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making an Oreo drip cake. I'm really excited. I hope this will be really delicious. Let's get started.
I started out making an Oreo or cookies and cream cake and Oreo buttercream. Recipes to follow. I filled the cake with Oreo buttercream as well as halved Oreo cookies. Any chocolate sandwich cookie should work for this. I added a bit more buttercream to help the next layer to stick. Then I frosted the cake with Oreo buttercream. I melted some milk chocolate and put it in a piping bag without a tip and just dripped it off the side of the cake. And poured some on top of the cake and spread it out with an offset spatula. This chocolate was tempered so well that it started setting up as soon as I was spreading it out. I originally had planned to pipe some swirls on top and place a cookie in each one, but the chunks of the cookie and the buttercream itself were too large to pipe well. The tip was constantly getting clogged with cookie pieces, so I didn't end up being able to pipe at all. Only a tiny bit came out of the largest round tip I had. So instead of piping on top, I simply placed some Oreo cookies on top. It works, right? I think this cake looks delicious. We actually used it for the family party for my daughter's birthday, so happy birthday, Natalie. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.